What's your favorite thing about your rig?
My favorite thing about it, that it's me, and what I put into it is me, and it's mine.
Just us to watch the world go by. Cities pass and faces change. A journey sweet, sometimes strange. Searching souls, new friends to find. Adventures calling to my mind. Happy to be free like the breeze. No more chains, no more pleas. With my dog we're on the run, underneath the golden sun. Mountains high and rivers deep, memories made ours to keep. Stories shared with those we'll meet, every path beneath our feet. Dancing shadows night and day, life's a game that we will play. Hand in paw, we're feeling strong, singing life's unending song.
This is Blue. Blue, where are you from?
Louisiana.
Okay, and what do you camp in?
I have a 2017 Honda Odyssey.
And do you have a pet?
I do. He's right here in his little cat condo, I call it. That's Dink. That's my co-pilot. Want to say hi to everybody, Dee?
He's good.
Say hi.
Her YouTube channel is just starting up, so everybody look. What is the name of your YouTube channel?
Road Therapy Van Life.
Road Therapy Van Life.
Look for me in about a week, and my videos should start popping up.
Okay, okay. Today is January the 15th, just in case I didn't say. And here's her little home on wheels.
Sure is.
Okay.
Home on wheels.
Oh, so you have your bed up there. Oh,
because I'm a short gal, so it fits me fine.
Okay, very good.
And this right here, I've got my clothes in that, and clothes in here. This has got just all kind of everything that I need, just stuff. In this one, and that's a mini me. All these my mini appliances, I have the whole set of them. It's from Walmart, and they're very good. They're small, and they're good for 1 or 2 people to cook in. If y'all are interested in those, go look at Walmart and get them. And they're only like 12 or 15 bucks a piece, so they're really inexpensive. But anyways, I've got my TV for convenience. My little hello sign. I love that. Love it. Love it. Got that at Walmart. It's Walmart or Dollar General for me. And anyways, I can use this to cook on or whatever. I can move my computer out of the way, or when I'm sitting in bed, I can use my computer. I don't never watch TV from bed, so I sit out here. Right here is my toilet. It's hidden, and I have covers here where I can sit on it and use it for my chair when I don't.
And you have a little mat over there. Is that for the catty cat? That green mat?
This right here is just a rubber mat. It's on top of my refrigerator.
Okay.
So when I pass over to go to the front, it's a little softer on the knees.
Okay.
And the kitty cat enjoys it too. And I do have a sink with running water.
You certainly do, right under there. The hello sign.
And I wanted to scoop my fridge in more, and it won't go. It's a little bit too wide. So.
All right.
But it's working.
All right. And you have solar panel on the top.
Yes.
What wattage is your solar panel?
It's a 230.
Okay.
Yes.
And then
I haven't synced 230 on it yet, but it's supposed to be a 230.
Do you have like a battery pack that you?
I do. I use EcoFlow for most of my things, and I do have a generator that if I'm not anywhere for shore power and stuff, I can still get that if the solar panel good. So,
yeah. Okay. And then your little appliances, do they run on the solar, the 12 volt?
They'll run on the EcoFlow, or they'll run on my generator. My generator is one of those new generators. Like you can use USB and everything on that generator. You can plug your USB cords in and all that. It won't overload them and stuff with too much amp.
Okay.
So I love it. But you can do either or with the small plant, and they only pull like one pulls like 250. The most one pulls is 400 watts, but you're only using it for a short amount of time, so it doesn't drain up fast at all. Okay, I wanted to show you all this, and I know my van is dirty. Can't help it out here.
It's out in the desert. Everybody's
desert.
is.
Yes, can't help it out here. These little guards that's on here, I wanted to show y'all on vans that have these glass. You don't have to put the tape there. I did just to protect my glass because I do have other tint on there. But these are plastic. They come in white and brown at Lowe's. They're $3.20 a piece. They're rain guards, like you use for your house. And so they have a little ridge on it that sits right down over the glass that helps hold them in place. And then the top part goes right into where the glass itself would have went if the window was rolled up. So that's how it stays in there. You just roll it up.
And that gives you more ventilation.
And more ventilation. And it has a screen behind it that keeps the mosquitoes out. And I love it. And it gives him more light that he can see out too. And all this part is still blacked out. And in my front seat, I put my extra boots here and my shoes. This has got all my gloves and hats, beanies, and all that stuff, scarves. And in here is all of my sweaters and jackets and big oversized shirts like this to keep warm. That's what that is over here.
And you have good screens, shades.
Yes, I got these on Amazon, and they clip in, and if you have these, you don't have to have these, but it works better if you do have these wind guards on your windows. And I leave it down just enough where I can clip it in, and it stays in there much better because my cat likes to pull them down.
Oh.
So if I do it like this, he can't pull them down. There we go. He can't pull them down like he normally tries to.
Okay.
You'll see when we get to his side of the van.
Okay.
I have a quilt of this to kind of make it look nicer and to hide my stuff, you know, a little bit. And my cat likes to be up higher so he can see up. And I took his one in the mornings. I have to take his window thing down because if not, he'll take it down for me. So I take his down in the morning time, and even on my front thing, I have to leave it cracked just one little. I can't cover the whole thing because he has a cow. Anyway, and then underneath it is I have a little two-drawer thing that's got like first aid, like quick stuff you might need, you know, and the drawer's open from the other side so I can get to it quick. And then a little kitchen stuff and a little food. And this is like my shower stuff. Like if I want to take a shower out here and everything, you know, I've got the means to do it.
Do you have a shower tent?
I have, no, yes and no. I don't have it with me because I forgot it, but I have one. But anyways, and I also have the little water warmer that you can sit down in your bucket of water and heat your water up, you know, before you use your shower. So, and then I have a sun bag too that you can fill with water, sit out in the sun so you have warm water. Either way, I'm trying to cover all the bases. I'm new and I probably have more than what I should have. So eventually I'll probably narrow that down. So, and here, not really a whole lot to see here, but this is like the back side of where my sink and everything is, and where the I forgot to show that when we were on the other side. Here's my EcoFlow right there.
Okay.
That charges everything. It's got its own little home right there. And these are my water bottles that I keep filled. They're getting low. I gotta go fill them up. And I've learned never leave home without extra windshield washer fluid. Don't ever leave home on a trip without extra. So I've done that now. Learned a lesson. Behind these, I use these because these little knee pads because it's easier to bend them and move them out of place. But behind here, you can see I've got my gray water tank and my fresh water tank is in there. And the hose for my water runs from the sink up there down into my water.
Nice.
There. And I just put it there so just to make it look better so people don't see my stuff. I don't know, it's weird like that. Another first aid kit I can throw on my backpack when I'm camping or whatever. And that is just extra spices and stuff, and I can get to this stuff from the other side too. And an extra pair of boots that's sitting on top because I don't know where I'm supposed to put them.
You got to find every space.
Every little space. Oh, and these are just little caddies that I hide my toilet paper. I tell you, I like to hide stuff so people can't see it. I hide my toilet paper and I just reach over the TV and grab it when I need it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
What you doing in there, Dink? What you doing in there? Hey, kitty kitty. Here's a kitty kitty. Aw, go come say hi to everybody. Aw.
Say hi, Dinky. Whenever it's nice outside and you can cook outside, we love to take advantage of that, or I do. And so I'm out here making my lunch, and I'm making some grilled cheese and tomato soup. And like I said earlier, this is one of those mini-me's that I was talking about earlier that you can get at Walmart, and all like $14, and it pulls 400 watts, but your sandwich isn't in there very long, so it's really not a big deal. I ordered this on Amazon, and it heats water or your soups or whatever. You can make hot chocolate in it, whatever you want, and it's cool too. And both of these I can charge with my EcoFlow, or I can use this generator that.
Generator down here.
It's a, I forget the name of it. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Gen Max. Is it a 2000?
Gen Max 2000.
Yeah.
And if you get one, you don't want to get one with less than 2,000 watts in it, because it won't charge a lot of things. Even though it says 2,000, it doesn't give you a full 2,000 watts. So just keep be mindful of that whenever you buy one. Try to get at least a 2,000 watt one.
Blue, what is your least favorite thing about your van?
Least favorite. Well, space in a way. I want to be able to stand up in my van. That's what I don't like. I can't stand up.
Okay. What's your favorite thing about your rig?
My favorite thing about it, that it's me, and what I've put into it is me, and it's mine, and nobody can tell me anything about it or what I can and can't do with it, and it just, to me, it makes life so much more exciting and worth living, because I was in a place that was becoming more and more depressing, and I was tired of drowning in that. And of course, like a lot of people, I watch YouTube quite a bit, and I always loved camping, but I didn't know about van life. And then when I found out about that, I was like, that is 2 wins right there. Bada bing, bada boom. And so here I am.
Oh, nice. Thank you, Blue, for letting me do a little video of your rig. I really appreciate it. Look for Road Therapy Van Life with Blue on YouTube.
Yes.
So, Blue,
Please check me out.
check her out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the tour with Blue and her little kitty cat Dink, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe.